Hello friends, today's video is about how to unblock people you have blocked on Instagram. For those for whom this video is important, please watch it completely without skipping. So first of all, you will need to open the Instagram application. I am currently searching for the Instagram app right here. You will then need to enter the Instagram application, the profile icon. After that, you will need to click on the button with 3 dots. Then you'll need to keep scrolling down right here. As you continue to scroll down, you'll find an option called block at the very bottom. You will then have to go ahead and enter into that. Then right here, all the accounts of those people I have blocked on Instagram have now appeared. From this list, you can simply click on the name of the person you wish to unblock. Go ahead and click on the unblock button once more. Pause. It turns out the individual I was attempting to unblock had already been unblocked. Please do subscribe, and to receive more interesting videos like this in the future, make sure to hit that bell icon.